Hi everybody, welcome to True Wants, where we try to help you make the decision of changing a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that's right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. There's also a bell that's beside that button. It's called the notification bell, and I recommend that you press it. What ends up happening is YouTube will send you one email notifying you that I just uploaded a brand new video. You'll see in your inbox a picture with the title, and if you press on the picture, it acts like a shortcut and it takes you directly to the video. It's something I use and enjoy, and I think you guys will too. All right, today is a day where we give you the confirmed sneak peek of what is going to be in the Allure beauty box for March of 2020. When I get the magazine, I go through it, and inside there is a page that has all the fine print that gives you all the choices of all the variations that are going to be in the box. And for some reason, this month in Allure, for the March box, there seem to be a lot of variations. So I'm going to put up the picture of the page, and then we're going to go through it step by step. So I'm just going to remove the box that it comes in. It's going to be like this. And this is a $15 a month box with free shipping. I get mine through Amazon.com, but you can also get it from Allure.com. They're saying the value of this box is going to be $109 for only $15. All right. So I'm going to try to go up close as best I can with the camera so that you guys can see exactly what I'm seeing. Okay, so the first item that is here on the left-hand side is the only one from what I've read that is going to be in every single box. It is the Rodeo Glam Lash Mascara, and that one is going to be supposedly in every box, and it is the full-size product. The next item that you're seeing in the middle of the screen here, which is the eye pencil from Urban Decay, that looks like it is going to be a possible variation between that item and this ritual spray that is down here. I'll go through that with you guys because I also have received the ritual spray, which I'll show you afterwards. Some of these products I already own, so I can give you a little bit of information on them. All right, the top right-hand corner is from the brand Momad, and this one also is going to be a variation, but it's going to be a variation of the product line Momad. The only one that the variation was two completely different companies was the one that I just showed you, which was the Urban Decay or the Ritual. This one here, it's going to be a choice that they're going to put in the box of three different variations. One is going to be the Red Energy Recovery Serum, which is what you're seeing on the screen right now. And then the other choices that could possibly be in the box by the same company is the Rose Water Toner or a Petal Spa Oil to Foam Cleanser. The next item that is in here is this middle one here, which is called Floss. This product I have already received in a different box, and I got it in the color YUL. And this one comes in two variations where you'll either get the color that I just mentioned, which I will show you up close, in YUL, or the other color option will be LAX. The next item that is here on the bottom area here is this one here is from the brand called Dr. Botanicals, and you're either going to receive that in a lemon superfood all-in-one rescue butter or LUE by John SEO cleanser powder, and both of those will either be in full sizes. The next item to the right of it is a sheet mask, and it's by the brand LAPCOS, and that one you're either going to get a sheet mask that is a hyaluronic moisturizing one or a ceramide one. And that's everything that are the potential products that you're going to see in the March 2020 box. Like I said, I've never seen this many types of variations in a box before with Allure, so that's brand new to me. I'm also going to try to put in front of the camera as best I can. This is the Ritual product that I think I received in a monthly box. I really couldn't tell you which one. I think it was a FabFitFun. And the only thing I can tell you about this is it is a fantastic product. It smells amazing. It comes out like a mousse consistency. You just have to be very careful when you press the nozzle because it really comes out really quickly and a lot of mousse. So, but like I said, it goes a long way. It is great when you use it in the shower, and that's the one that I have here. But the one that they're showing on the page, as you can see, is a red one, and that one is called The Ritual of Ayurveda, but it says it's a shower foam, and this is a shower foam as well. So I just think the scent may be different, but I really did enjoy that product. The other product that I do currently own is the one that is the floss one. And that's what the product looks like here. And it is in the YUL, which I mentioned to you guys. There's this option, and there might be another option, but it is a clear, just sticky gloss. I'm not a huge fan of this because it is a sticky gloss, but it does do moisturizing your lips. And the ironic thing is it is called, what did they say it was called? It was so funny. It's called Floss, My New Favorite Gloss, which it didn't end up being that, but that's what they call it. All right, that's what that is there. And then the last item that is also the variation between the shower and the Urban Decay. That one is in the small version. The one that I have is the full size, which is it here. The color that I got is in is called Perversion, and these pencils are absolutely fantastic. They glide on really smoothly. Let me see if I can get this here. There we go. And they're really black. And they're really a phenomenal product. So really wanted to share that with you guys, that at least 3 of the products I already own and I've enjoyed. I've also had the opportunity to use this mask also. I got this also in a different box. So for me, the newest product that I'm going to have the opportunity to try is the full-size mascara. I'm very excited to try that because that brand is a new brand to me, but the reviews on that brand is really strong. So we're going to be getting a couple of full sizes in here, which is what Allure is all about. You get a mixture of full size as well as sample sizes, and all of that is for the $15. So that's just a heads up of what's going to be in the box for March 2020. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.